Hi traders, this is a daily forecast on pound dollar. Today is Tuesday, January 11th. This video is created by Finteria Markets. Please check our website. There you will find many interesting tools and services, educational materials, and all the information on trading conditions. Let's start our analysis with a tool which is called Currency Strength. It shows you the strongest and weakest currencies in the market, and this is based on currency indices, which are also available in our MT5 platform. You can open an account, download our platform, and you will be able to see currency indices in real time. So let's start our analysis, and I'm going to start with the default 24-hour time frame, and we're going to pay more attention to the British pound and the US dollar. Well, actually, we can see that the British pound is quite stable currency. It doesn't move really much, and pretty much the same situation on the US dollar. So US dollar is quite stable currency. Let's check the tendencies over this week in general. And here, once again, we can see that both currencies are quite stable. The British pound is slightly ahead. It's gaining 0.14%. And the US dollar is also slightly stronger than the rest of the market, but slightly weaker than the British pound. So once again, just to mention this briefly, I talked more about this event in my video on Eurodollar. So today we're waiting for the testimony of Jerome Powell in front of the banking committee of the US Senate. So this event is going to be very important. Potentially it can be a hawkish event. So it all depends on what Jerome Powell is going to say, how aggressive he's going to be. I think this event is going to create lots of volatility in the markets. So also, I mentioned this before, that the market is pricing already almost 4 interest rate hikes in the US over this year. And at the same time, there's a 50-50 chances that the Bank of England is going to raise rates once again in February. So the market still thinks that there's some likelihood that the interest rate will be increased in February. And this is making the British pound more resilient. So let's switch to the technical situation. So here we can see that we're still trading in this channel. So the pound dollar broke the level 136. It's trading above. It's showing some resilience. We can see that the British pound is moving much higher than in comparison with Eurodollar. It's showing more strength and making more highs. So let's switch to the 4-hour time frame. Here we can see that the pound dollar is moving in this upward channel. So far, I think after some consolidation, the pair is ready to move slightly higher. In my opinion, the potential target can be around 137. If we switch back to the daily chart, we can see that it's approximately the upper band of this channel. So around 136.70, this can be the target. And here I would be more cautious with the longs. Generally, I think long positions are much better in case if we move above the trend line. So in this area, we can consider long positions. Here, we need to be more careful. But I think that the current bias is more bullish. So I think all will depend actually on the testimony of Jerome Powell. But so far, we can see that the currency pair tends to move slightly higher. So let me once again highlight the most important trading levels. So first of all, here 136 is quite important. If we move below this level or return below this level, I think this can be potentially more bearish, and we may have some sort of sideways trading. So I don't expect a very sharp reversal. I think that here we are likely to see some upside bias and then some sideways trading. So today, in my opinion, according to what we're seeing, every new low is higher than the previous one. So here we had the low, even below we had a low, much higher. The next one, once again, it's much higher. So here potentially we can actually have a much higher high logically. So in case if Jerome Powell will not sound very aggressive, so I think that there's some likelihood that we're going to move till 136.75, and then I would expect more the sideways trading in this area. So I expect some sort of this type of movement from the market. So potentially, yeah, we will stay, I think we will still remain in this upward channel with more upward pressure and potentially switching more to the sideways trading. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this analysis. Please leave your comments and questions below the video. Also subscribe to our YouTube and Telegram channels. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a nice day.